There is a current rising slow from depths we cannot see, a quiet pool that lifts the soul beyond what used to be. It moves through waters dark and deep, through trials sharp as stone, yet leaves no mark upon the heart that walks this path alone. Aspiration lifts the way where struggle falls behind. The spirit rises through the world, unbound by form or time. Where thought is placed, the energy flows and shapes what comes to be. The upward force becomes the bridge to truth and liberty. The thorns of effort lose their edge, the weight of fear grows light, as will aligns with higher aim and turns its gaze to height. The body learns to follow trust, the mind releases strain, the soul directs its living force beyond the pull of pain. Aspiration lives the way where struggle falls behind. The spirit rises through the world, unbound by form or time. Where thought is placed, the energy flows and shapes what comes to be. The upward force becomes the bridge to truth and liberty. Through channels hidden in the heart, one path ascends alone. It leads beyond the turning wheel to what has always known. The thinker guides the living stream through breath and feeling too, until the self remembers why it came to rise and move. No chain can hold the rising soul, no depth can draw it down. The upward force of living truth becomes the seeker's ground. Through aspiration, held with care and will aligned with light, the spiritual self ascends the way toward freedom clear.